Good morning, guys, and God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm actually working on a, I think it's like a 2016 Toyota Tacoma. But I wanted to show you guys maybe a quick way of cleaning between the seats. I know a lot of people usually ask, like, what's the best way? I mean, I don't know which is the best way, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it with my Vortex air tool. That way you don't carry a lot of air tools. This one here pretty much can get anywhere. Yeah, maybe the little bit areas, maybe you can't get in there. But I'm going to demonstrate to you how I get in between the seats. And it'll make your job a whole lot easier. So let me camera around. Alright. So what I tend to do is I stick the Vortex right in here. And then I'll pull the trigger. And then I'm able to get all the bottom. So all I do is blow like this, and then what I tend to do, guys, is as I'm blowing, I move the seat forward. So as you're blowing, you're moving the seat forward, right? And then that's gonna be getting everything that's in between the seat, because it goes from a deep pocket up to like the high area. So it'll get everything that's in between your seat. All right, so hopefully that kind of helped you guys out. Another reason why I love the Vortex, guys, is just the simplicity of how it loosens up the fibers. So if you got headphones, just kind of lower the volume down, as Mr. Landon Crawford says with Aqualox Auto Detailing. Check it out. So all I gotta do is, look how quickly that is, guys. Look at that. And then all you gotta do is come back and vacuum it, extract it, and you're good. So another great reason why I love this tool right here. So hopefully this kind of helped you guys out on how to get in between the seats using your Vortex air tool. I'm using the Serrano sauce today to clean all the plastics, a couple brushes. But yeah, overall, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of the week, and we'll see y'all next time.